What's up, guys? So I've been fascinated by this whole story of XRP potentially reaching $1,000. It honestly is kind of mind-boggling to me to think that a position can reach that high of a market cap, but then again, a lot of people question what Bitcoin was going to do and how high that was going to reach and whether this can reach to trillions of dollars or multiple trillions of dollars. That means that the overall crypto market cap will be worth a lot, right? I don't even know exactly how much. We can go into the detail, but if we just talk about XRP, it's going to be worth trillions of dollars, right? And not to mention what Bitcoin will be worth at that time. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about XRP to $1,000 because honestly, with XRP to $1,000, that makes you holding 1,000 XRP a millionaire. So if you have a million or you have 1,000 XRP, you now can have $1 million from this position while only investing maybe $500 into the play because you only have 1,000 XRP. Honestly, that's shocking to me. So let's go ahead and talk about XRP to $1,000 and how you, with your 1,000 XRP, could be a millionaire. I don't know why I'm giving Prime free advertisement here, but hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Guys, just in case this YouTube thing goes away, you never know what could happen in life. Feel free to go over and follow me on Rumble. I have 100 followers on Rumble, and we basically do the same thing. We talk about cryptocurrency and everything that's really happening within the market on that platform. It's another way to support me. And if you do support this channel, feel free to go over and do that. And don't forget to get your free stock down in the description with Robinhood. And you can get $5 all the way up to $200 if you're interested in signing up today using my link. So again, this is like shocking to me to see that we have the ability to grow to some of these levels. But then again, I'm not necessarily saying I don't believe it. I had people in one of my other videos saying that, Matt Perry doesn't believe that this is going to go to $1,000. And that's not what I said. I said that it's definitely surprising to see levels of multiple trillions of dollars. But then when you understand how it mixes in and how it could be, you're like, okay, well, maybe that could happen. It's a strong maybe. But then again, it's like I'm still playing it out as if I'm, not going to get there, or I don't potentially get there because I'm going to make some moves as I see profits hit certain levels. And honestly, like I said, no matter what it ends up hitting, I'm going to have a certain amount of XRP that I'm holding for the long term. It doesn't matter, if it's 1,000 or if it's going to be 500 or 100. I'm going to hold some XRP for the long term because you honestly never know what it could be and what the overall project could do. So again, if we look at kind of where XRP is, or just this conversation of XRP, I want to type in XRP before we see that, because for some reason I got out of it and went into Jasmy coin. That's another position that I do like. But for XRP, it's currently sitting at about 59 cents. It did rise to about 61 cents today, multiple times before decreasing down to 59 cents here, getting closer to 58, actually being at a higher 58, and then increasing now again to about 59 cents, up about 2.8% on the day. Volume up 52%, up to $2.2 billion. So a lot of money flows through XRP. As you see, the total volume that flies through the crypto market was $39 billion. So you have a lot of room, a lot of wiggle room in what has happened today. And when we saw this skyrocket, we were excited as to why this was making a move. And I thought it was because you had the 77%. People said that November is going to be a 70% gain, which would be phenomenal. If you see a 77% gain, it wouldn't be the highest, but it would be fantastic to see. But that all comes off of like kind of one year being great and the other years being kind of okay or not so great. Kind of like what they did with Shiba Inu, where they said that 1 year was 822% increase in October, but the other year was like a negative 10% or like a 10% increase. So the overall amount, the overall percentage, if we're dividing it up and we're looking at the average, we're seeing 422%. It's like, okay, that doesn't really tell me anything based off of one great year and one mediocre year, right? So that wasn't what it was from. it might have been a portion saying that November is going to be, hype. And now we see right before November that takes off. But more around the conversation of, getting to $1,000. So here we have Uphold talking about XRP reaching $1,000 before the major partnership with Ripple. So the Uphold Ripple partnership sparks questions about Uphold's past conversations on XRP reaching $1,000 and whether they may have secretly hinted at the collaboration. The prominent American crypto exchange Uphold, renowned for its support for XRP, engineered bullish conversations about the digital asset in the past and have now come back to haunt the firm. Over the past years, the exchange repeatedly pondered the implication for investors in a scenario where XRP theoretically breaks into the triple-digit value asset. However, Uphold's contemplations have largely gone unnoticed. Meanwhile, the XRP community has exhumed, sorry, I can't really see that, the statements amid the exchange's recent partnership with Ripple. The XRP army now wonders if Uphold has had hidden messages all the while. Uphold talking about reaching $1,000 specifically between 2021 2022. The US-based trading platform tweeted multiple times asking the community about their hopes for XRP. Some XRP enthusiasts replied they anticipate the digital asset to trade over $1,000. Uphold maintained a similar reply. Such anticipations it repeatedly responded by asking, what would you do if XRP reached $1,000? And you could see that. What would you do? What would you do on different dates? So on July 15th, on December 30th, on December 9th, which is out of order, honestly. And then November 21st and October 20th. While Uphold's tweets mention XRP to $1,000, are all the statements in reply to other XRP enthusiast inspirations. The XRP community has come to assume the exchange itself made the bullish projections. Amid the assumption, they theorized that the exchange subtle hint at the now public collaboration with Ripple, which should hypothetically facilitate XRP's path to $1,000. So, I mean, this whole conversation leans around the fact that you could possibly see not only the collaboration with Ripple, but also that XRP can potentially hit $1,000. Now, if we're looking at XRP to $1,000, understand that if it hits $1,000 at the current level, which is technically like 52, I think it might be 53 billion. But let's just say it's 52. If we're looking at that, we're going to be looking at a $52 trillion market cap. Currently, the market cap of the crypto market is $1 trillion. So we would be looking at 52 times what the crypto market is, which honestly isn't horrible, right? It's not saying it's going to be 400 trillion, but XRP, if it is as usable, as strong, as believable to the community or to all of us and usable in the world today or in the future, we could possibly see this get to that level of $1,000. We can possibly see that we hit a level of $1 million. And again, I hold 1,788, 1,787 technically. And if I go back to my Excel spreadsheet, that would be worth $1.788 or $1.787 million. And I only invested $900 into the play. So your 1,000 XRP could potentially be $1 million, which is insane. But that's just speculation. A lot of it is speculation. So don't think that that will be the case. So if you hold more than 1,000 XRP, I mean, you might want to keep 1,000 for what the future can bring. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.